One thing that I'll put in the title, this is an Opentron and it's model OT4126. And so have a 4-foot metal power strip here. Says it's surge protected to 400 joules, 15 amp circuit breaker, mounting clips included. I did open the box. I got this from Amazon, but this is where it's at. Haven't taken it out of this plastic sheet yet. So I got this for my a workbench in a little, very small shop that I have. See if I can do this with one hand. If not, I'll have to cut a clip here, but should be doable. So that's what it looks like outside of the plastic sheath. I ended up purchasing this one mainly because it seemed like it had good reviews, and I think this was a little under $40, and a lot of what I saw for around $40 in the stores, the brick and mortar stores I walked in, didn't have this density. This, I believe, has 12 outlet plugs on it, and a lot of the ones I saw had 6, and I would rather have more options. Obviously, with this many plugs and, like it says, a 15 amp circuit breaker, you got to be careful what you're plugging into this, but I expect that it will meet my needs. I would plan to update this video if I want to put as much useful information as one can in this video, just considering it's a power strip, but yeah, I would hope to update if something shocking happens. But that's the front. You can see there's 2 that I'm assuming are mounting points there, and it looks like we've got just a cap on this side, and underneath it we've got 2 mounting points. I have a feeling I can see something still in the bag here. That is probably the cap for the other side, and I believe that is. So let's look at the back here. Let's leave that off. Okay, so we've got some more mounting spots cut here, and let's see if we see anything on the back. On-off switch, heavy duty metal housing. Does it feel heavy duty? It actually does feel pretty solid. I'll turn it right way up here. It looks pretty nice to me. Like, I believe this is metal and this is paint. Here's the on-off switch. It's funny because this is the right way for the outlet, but if you look, it looks like the switch is meant to be the other way. So that's interesting. I could really care less. So what do we have here? I'm just gonna rip this open. So we've got okay, some more brackets, and we've got some screws for the brackets in there. They do not appear to be particularly heavy-duty brackets. A lot of ways to mount this, it looks like, with those 2 on the back plus the sides, and then plus those. I'm not really thinking this is going to have to hold much weight, so I'm satisfied with that. So okay, that's off now. We've got, I don't know if those look like, I'm sure those are screws with a special head on them. I probably don't want you to get in there messing with the wires. Power cord looks pretty robust. Yeah, first impressions, this is good. This is what came in the box, and it's probably got some scratches on it already. It's gonna have a lot more, just because I put on the ground here. Let's see. Actually, looks fine. Let's see what the warnings say. Keep children away. Yeah, I think this will meet my needs, and I would say I'm happy with it all. I'll post an update when I get this thing plugged in.